Are you tired of diet tips that don't work? Do you feel like all of the diet advice out there is just not helping? Well, I've got some good news for you. There's one plan that will work 100% of the time, and it doesn't involve water fasting or liquid diets. It's called the Stress-Free Plan, and it's here to help you lose weight and get healthy. I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. The problem with diets is that they set out to change your behavior. They tell you what to eat and when, and then they expect you to keep it up for the rest of your life. But how realistic is that? Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world. Click below to find out the best methods for you. Why your diet and having healthy body was failed. Because what you eat because your workout was no enough? No. You did not know the secret of your body and how to eat smart. The methods we introduced are not difficult to continue every day. You can eat smart to follow the methods, and you may have a slim body you want and healthy life. Again, you can achieve stress-free weight loss and get your healthy body. Click below to find out the best methods for you.